sa Amazon Prime ay malapit na ring mapanood sa Viva One ang drama-thriller hit series ni Nadine Lustre, ang Road Killers. Mas lalo pang dadami ang tututok ngayon sa pinag-uusapang trending series ng multimedia superstar. Road Killers, anong ganap?
Super. Alam niyo naman, pag gusto ko mag-action. And si Direk din, as soon as sinabi ni Direk, pinitchtahan ni Direk yung project, syempre I would say yes. Kasi matagal ko na talagang gustong mag-action. And I guess with regards to preparation, nag-training din ako sa firing, tapos with the gun, like assembling, tapos yung mga stunts din namin, we really had to rehearse that.
Nagkaroon ng isang masayang MediaCon kamakailan kung saan humarap si Nadine sa mga entertainment press.
Sobrang hirap ng conditions just because we're always shooting outside. And during that time, medyo unpredictable yung weather. So minsan pag nag-start na po kaming mag-shoot na blue skies tapos biglang uulap, we kind of have to wait a bit kasi iba yung lighting. So ang daming beses na nakaka-cancel yung shoots just because of the rain.
Mas lalo pang na-excite si Nadine dahil nasa Viva One na ang ipinagmamalaking series.
Maraming salamat po for being here. Alam po namin holiday, so thank you for spending it with us. Sa mga media friends po natin. And of course, to all of the fans, thank you guys so much for all of the support. And super happy po kami for all the good words na sinasabi niyo po about the project. So maraming salamat po.
Hindi ka mamamatay. Makakakuha tayo ng kwarto.
Hi everyone, Nadine Lustre here. Ang pinaka-abangan yung action thriller series ay mapapanood nyo na worldwide. Yes guys, kaya don't miss it ngayong March 1 na. Road Killers on Viva One.
Road Killers magsisimula na ngayong March 1 with fresh episodes every Friday sa Viva One.